Hey everyone, Caleb here for Theme Park HG, bringing you the very best tips and tricks for your enjoyment. Today, we're going to be talking about my recommendations for FastPass at Disney's Hollywood Studios. Now, at the time of this video, Toy Story Land has not opened yet, but it does open in less than 45 days. So with that, I do have some expectations as far as FastPass goes, so that's what we're going to cover today. My number one top pick for Disney's Hollywood Studios is going to be Slinky Dog Dash. Now again, this is not open yet. No one has experienced this roller coaster except for those Imagineers working on it, but I do predict that this is going to be a very, very busy attraction at Disney's Hollywood Studios, and it's definitely going to be something for the whole family to enjoy. So with that, I do recommend getting a FastPass for this attraction, as it is going to see very long lines for at least the next couple years. Very similar to Disney's Animal Kingdom, Disney's Hollywood Studios has a tiered system. Now when Toy Story Land opens up, Tier 1 is going to be all 3 Toy Story attractions. So that's going to be the Slinky Dog Dash, Alien Swirling Saucers, and Toy Story Mania. Tier 2 is going to be pretty much all the other attractions and shows, so you'll have to choose one of the 3 attractions in Toy Story Land to pick ahead of time, but then obviously you'll be able to wait in line for the other 2. But that is why Slinky Dog Dash is my number 1 pick. My number 2 pick is definitely going to have to be Rockin' Roller Coaster starring Aerosmith. This attraction has been around for a while now, but it still holds up as a great roller coaster ride. If you're a roller coaster junkie, this is definitely something you're going to want to check out, especially if you like Aerosmith. It's a great attraction. You take off from 0 to 60 in a couple seconds, and the whole time you get to listen to rockin' Aerosmith music, so it's definitely worth checking out. I highly recommend getting a FastPass for this attraction, as the lines are typically between 60 and 90 minutes. My number 3 pick to close out this video is going to have to go to the Tower of Terror. Tower of Terror is a thrilling attraction based on the TV show The Twilight Zone. Now in this ride, it's said that some guests go in the elevator and were struck by lightning, and that the elevator was sent straight down. You're invited to join them and take a part of this experience, and let me tell you, it is something you're not going to want to miss. It's a different experience each time because the ride sequence is never the same, which makes it really enjoyable and keeps you guessing. This attraction also has lines that are usually 60 to 90 minutes, so I also encourage getting a FastPass for this one. Disney's Hollywood Studios also has a lot of shows, and you will be able to get FastPasses for these shows, but I recommend saving your FastPasses for the actual rides, as most of the shows are in very large theaters, so I recommend not wasting your FastPass on a show, since you can use it for an actual ride. That's all my tips for Disney's Hollywood Studios. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you plan your Walt Disney World vacation. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks.
Hey everybody, just wanted to say thanks for watching. We know you have lots of choices for theme park videos, so we appreciate you making the time for us. If you enjoyed the video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you'd like to see more rides, shows, and attractions, don't forget to subscribe for new videos every week. Thanks.